Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next topic that is isomorphism, guys. So basically, isomorphism is nothing but so assume that there are two different graphs, guys. So when we can say these two graphs are similar, guys. So whenever they are isomorphic, guys. So isomorphism states that two graphs are similar. So just their representation is different. So for easy understanding, let me show you a graph, guys. So by observation, if you show these two diagrams to a small kid, guys, so he will say that these two are different, right? But in reality, they are the same graph, guys. Even some students will say that these are not isomorphic, but they are isomorphic, guys. The concept of isomorphism is that only. So basically, a particular graph can be represented in various ways. So if both of those diagrams correspond to the same graph, it is called as isomorphism. Got it? Yes. So in general, two graphs are said to be isomorphic if they are perhaps the same graphs but just drawn in a different way with different names. Got it? Yes. So now let us go through this example, guys. Okay. So this is an example, right? Yes. So we are trying to say that these two graphs are same or different, guys. So the easiest method to verify it is try to prove them it is wrong, guys. So the first step which I follow is let me take a piece of paper and let us try to analyze this as a gate question, guys, because in gate there are around 5 to 10 questions directly on this particular topic, guys. So I don't know, we should be 100% perfect with this topic. So I'll be covering all PYQPs, guys, so don't worry. Okay. Yes. So this is the graph and we are going to compare it with this graph, right? Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So what is the step 1, guys? So the first step which I follow is count the number of vertices, guys. So draw a line, number of vertices. So here it is a 4, right? A, B, C, D. The total is a 4. Similarly, here also the vertices are exactly 4. So now count the number of edges. Okay. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nice. Okay. So once you calculated them, so now find the degrees, guys. So here one vertex is having a degree 3. After that this vertex is having a degree 2. This vertex is having a degree 3. This vertex is having degree 2. So indirectly we are having 3 2s and 2 3s. Yeah, 2 3s and 2 2s. Okay. Similarly, let us check here. So here we are having a 3. Here we are having a 3. Here we are having a 2. Here we are having a 2. Yes. Hence, these two graphs are having the same degree also. Okay. So once you found the degrees, you can start checking the degree neighbors, guys. So basically take one particular point. So here we are having a 2 3s, right, in both of them. So take this guy, guys. So take A. So A is having on one side he is having 2 degree 1, on the other side he is having 2 degree 1, on the other side he is having 3 degree 1. So compare in the same way here also. So this guy is 2 degree. So 2 degree, okay. So this guy is a 2 degree, okay. This 2 degree is having a 1 neighbor with 3 vertices, 1 neighbor with 2 vertices, okay. Yes. So in that way you can check step by step, guys. Okay. Yes. So the simplest method will be, so once you follow these steps somewhat like this, so you will understand that okay, so they could be similar, right? Yes. So the next step I follow is, so this is the diagram, right? And this diagram is looking in this way, right? Yes. So can I do some changes so that this diagram will be converted into this, guys? So basically this edge should be there, okay. Only this edge should come below, right? That's it. Okay, so can I do anything, guys? So let us assume this vertex is exactly matching the location, right? So 3 and 3. Okay, and similarly this edge, let me give it as plus. So this edge is matching with this edge, right? Yes, 3 3 vertex. Okay, 3 3 degree. Okay, so what I will do is I will bring this particular vertex here, guys. So if I bring it here, how it will look, guys? So it will be in this way, right? So you can visualization, guys. Just this is my visualization. That's it. Okay. Okay. Yes. So this edge is this edge, and again there should be this edge to this edge. That is this edge. So this is a point to be clear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with the 4 vertices. So in this way it is looking, right? Yes. So if I take this point to the other side, so basically if I move this point to the other side here, so what it will become? It will become in this way, right? Yes. 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 Yes, on diagonal. Yes, so indirectly these two graphs are exactly same, guys. So most of us will be thinking like, well, how did I do that exactly, right? Yes, so this is a method which you can apply if you are good at visualization, guys. But few students will be like, okay, so we are not good at visualization, what should we do then? So the best trick after that will be, so draw the graphs again. So let me draw them again. Yes, so what we will do now is you start taking one edge, guys, one vertex. So basically here there are two vertices with 3 degree, right? So let me take this vertex and this vertex, guys. So I will start eating this edge. Okay, so I ate that edge, so that edge is gone, this edge is gone, and this edge is gone. So basically whatever edges are connected to that vertex, I have eaten them indirectly. Okay, similarly eat in this also. So this edge is gone, this edge is gone, this edge is gone. So basically I'm removing this particular vertex. Okay, similarly now if you observe, so now the left out diagram will look in this way, right? It is in this way, and here it is in this way. So what did you understand here, guys? So this is L shape and this is also L shape, but just the orientation is different, right? So this is L, and if you just rotate this page, this is also L. The angle is different, that's it, right? Yes. So with that, like removing one edge also, one vertex also, you can recognize. Okay, yes. So this is the concept of isomorphism, guys. Okay, yes, guys, there are various examples in our PYQPs. So while solving PYQPs, you will get more and more clarity, guys. Okay, so here I wrote some basic steps to check whether two graphs are isomorphic or not. We will first check number of vertices, then number of edges, then degree of neighbors, then minimum and maximum length of cycle, then whether they are planar or not, whether they are connected or not. We can count even chromatic number, etc, etc, etc. There are many steps, guys. Okay, yes, and to be clear, it will be really easy to say that this graph is not isomorphic rather than saying that this graph is isomorphic, guys, because it's always a type of confusion will be there. Okay, yes. So now I hope everyone got some basic idea with respect to isomorphism, right? Yes. So once we solve a PYQs, we will get more clarity on it, guys. Okay, yes. So if you want to practice some questions, normally you can just check in the textbooks or any kind of books, guys. Okay, or you can directly type in Google isomorphism examples. You will get many questions. You can solve them and you can test yourself. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us start the discussion with respect to trees, guys. I think there will be only one lecture with respect to trees, and we'll be discussing about eccentricity. That's the only concept here. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture and discuss about a tree and eccentricity. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.